Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back filming today. It just feels so good, it feels so right. And I'm really excited about today's video. As many of you probably know, I just finished a about 8 to 9 month course of Accutane. I've struggled with acne my whole life and I tried different creams, different oral pills, and they all just kind of seemed like a band-aid that didn't fix the major issue. And for me, it wasn't really my diet or stress or anything. It was just hereditary. So for me, Accutane was a long-term solution. I had tried everything else and I just needed something to actually work. And I'm happy to report it worked wonders. And I'm so thankful I did it. I wish I had done it sooner. And another huge draw was that it was covered by my healthcare insurance, which is amazing because out of pocket it is ridiculously expensive. So I'm very thankful I had the opportunity to do it, but it is a very severe drug. It dried me out like crazy. And obviously I'm not a doctor or anything, so please consult with your doctor or your dermatologist and make sure you're following all of the protocols and procedures because like I said, it is a very severe drug. I am Accutane's biggest fan. It worked wonders for me and it really solved my issue and I just feel more confident in my skin than ever. So I'm going to be showing you about 6 or 7 products that I used while I was on Accutane that really helped and made the dryness, which is one of the major side effects, less uncomfortable for me and just really got me through the whole time. So I'm excited to share these with you. I hope if you're watching this video, if you're considering starting Accutane, if you're in the middle of it, and things are a little painful because your lips are swelling, which was like the worst thing for me, please know that there's a light at the end of the tunnel. It's going to be worth it. And if you just push through, you're going to see great results. At least I know I saw great results. So I hope these products help you and make your experience a bit more comfortable. So grab a drink or a snack or something and let's get to showing you these products. I'm really excited to go through these with you. The first product I'm going to be sharing with you is the Prequel Cleanser. They're non-drying glycerin cleanser. There are so many reasons that I love this product. I'm pretty sure I bought this before I even started Accutane, but I knew I was going to be starting Accutane, so I knew that my skin would dry out. I had oily, acne-prone skin before Accutane. Now I have pretty normal skin, I would say, but while I was on the medicine, it was very dry. And glycerin is an incredible hydrating product. This also has oat and aloe in it, which I'm just now realizing. And again, those are really great at soothing and calming irritated and dry red skin. So I bought this for my face cleanser and it's not even halfway empty. You can use a really small amount and you get a really good lather. It's a very sticky, tacky, almost like gummy texture, but it foams up, but in a very gentle way. It's not drying at all. It says it's fragrance free, hypoallergenic, allergy tested, suitable for all skin types, safe for sensitive skin, eczema prone skin, dermatologist developed and tested, and no eye irritation. And it's 50% glycerin, which is incredible for preserving your skin barrier. I actually felt like this was hydrating my skin when I was using it day and night. My skin felt clean after I cleansed with this, but it didn't feel stripped or dry at all and actually felt like it had some bounce to it and plumpness to it after I used this. So I'm still using this. I do double cleanse, so for makeup I would use an oil cleanser and then this on top of it. And even doing that, I didn't ever feel dried out by this. But it is a face and body product and that's why you get so much. You get 13.5 fluid ounces in here. And you really just can't beat the price. I think it's $15. And for how long this has lasted me, I am very impressed. Granted, I'm not using it on my body. When I'm done with my body wash I have right now, I'm gonna put this in my shower. I always bought the CeraVe or the Cetaphil hydrating cleanser. And don't get me wrong, those are great and very basic, but this is just one step elevated while still doing everything I want the other ones to do, but just with more hydration, honestly. Cannot recommend this enough. You can find Prequel at Target. I love a lot of their products, and this is definitely one of my favorites. Up next is a product that I used before Accutane as well, but it really helped when I had dry skin. It's the Skin 1004 Centella Ampoule Serum. This is so unique. It's like an oil serum hybrid, and it's hydrating, but it also kind of balances, but it seems to just work really well across all skin types. And it just is like a drink of water to my skin, and it lasts a long time. Like I put this on at night and I can feel it on my skin in the morning, but not in a greasy way, in just a naturally hydrated kind of way. And it doesn't necessarily claim to be a hydrating product. It's more of like a skin soothing, like calming, sensitive, irritated skin. So as you can imagine, it's a great option for Accutane. And while on Accutane, you're not supposed to work with any actives. Instead of like an exfoliating product, this is a soothing serum that is not interacting with the retinoid at all. This kind of product or any other like hydrating oil or serum is a great addition, but it is okay to just leave it very basic, you know, just like cleanser and moisturizer and sunscreen. That's okay too. But for me, I love beauty and I love skincare, so I like to add a little extra steps here and there. I've repurchased this many times. This is an empty bottle, as you can see. This is probably like my third bottle, and I'm now on my fourth or fifth one, and it's like the big boy, the double the size, because I just love it. I put it all over my face, on my neck, on my chest, and it just is so beautiful and calming. Next up is the Ordinary cold pressed rose hip seed oil. This product is really great at kind of lifting any dark spots that you may have. It's obviously, because it's an oil, it's inherently moisturizing as well. So I use this mostly at night, but during the winter and in the mornings when I was feeling like extra dry, I would actually put this under makeup and it worked fine. I also use this to shave my face, which I didn't do on Accutane, but that's what I'm using it for now. Definitely took a bit more time to like sink into the skin as compared to like the ampoule, but once it did sink into the skin, it was just very calming and soothing, and again just like made my irritated red skin chill out a little bit. And yeah, I have continued to repurchase this, and I just used it more on a daily basis while on Accutane, but I still use it to shave my face, like I said. So the Ordinary is a great brand for like just basic, tried and true basic ingredient skincare, and it's a really good price. So I'm gonna continue to repurchase rose hip seed oil, and it just works really well for me. The next product looks a little suspicious because I took the wrapper off of it, but it's from Vanicream. It's their moisturizing cream, a huge tub of it. I think I went through 2 of these. This is what I use as my moisturizer throughout the entire course, and it was exceptional. It's very basic, very hydrating, but not sticky feeling. It works well underneath makeup, and it's just very straightforward. And obviously you can't beat the value for a product like this. So I honestly might consider repurchasing this. I think maybe I'm a little burned out from it and want to try like a bit fancier moisturizers now that I can. But again, very basic things, a very basic routine on Accutane is what is gonna not irritate your skin the most and keep it the most calm. So highly recommend this, and I use it all over. I use it on my face, my ears, my legs, my feet, my hands. It is amazing, and I love Vanicream. They have amazing products. I know they have a really good cleanser as well that could be a good option for while you're on Accutane, but it's just very basic, free of fragrance, free of everything that would irritate your skin, basically. It just gives you the good stuff. This is a product that I have used for like basically my entire life. It's the Utterly Smooth hand and body cream. I get mine at the Dollar Tree, but they do sell it at Walmart. I used to get dry, cracked hands in the winter when I would go visit my family in Minnesota, and this is the only hand lotion that didn't sting, and it is the only product that actually healed the cracking and bleeding that I was experiencing. So I was probably like 10 when that started happening, or even younger. So I've literally used this for like 15 years straight. I have these all over my house in every single one of my purses. It is the best hand cream, but it doesn't feel greasy. It, you know, it feels hydrating, but it dries down, and I feel like I can do things with my hands without leaving like greasy fingerprints on everything. I would be distraught if they discontinued this. I still apply this every night before bed, but while on Accutane, I just applied it, you know, way more. So I love this thing. It is very basic, very cheap, and it works so well. And even if you're not on Accutane, please try this. It's incredible. I have, I think, like 6 or 7 in my empties bin right now. Let's talk lips while on Accutane, because for me, the dryness was the worst side effect, but specifically in my lips. They were irritated and swollen and cracking, and they never bled, but it could have gotten to that point if I didn't find these incredible products to help me out. And I want to shout out my cousin. She did Accutane before me, and she recommended this lip balm. And she said she almost stopped doing it because her lips were hurting so much, and then she finally found this. So she told me before I even started it to buy this lip balm, and I went through like 4 or 5 of them. So thank you, Melanie, for recommending that. And now I'm going to pay it forward and recommend it to everyone else. So this is the Dr. Dan's Cortisone. It has, I think it's hydrocortisone in it. Let's see. Yeah, it has hydrocortisone, which is an anti-itch. It has petroleum jelly, beeswax, and mineral oil. So it is hydrating like a normal chapstick, but the main ingredient that works is the anti-itch because it just kind of soothes the painful, itchy dryness. So I would apply this all the time, like literally apply it like once every hour. And then because I love a glossy lip and I like adding color to my lips because I love makeup, obviously, I put the Naturium Phyto Glow Lip Balm on top of it. This is in the shade Lychee. I mean, there is fragrance in it, but it didn't seem to irritate my lips. It wasn't like plumping at all. So this combo was exceptional. I put this on for anti-itch and then I put this on for the color. And this has a really, I don't want to say sticky. It kind of is sticky, but tacky more is like probably a better word. And it's in a good way. It's the texture that you want for your lip product to last and not just like go away after you like take a sip of water, you know? And then I am now working on my second tube of this lip balm in a different color. And this is probably my favorite squeezy lip balm on the market. It is great. And obviously I'm not saying that you have to buy like a colored product to put on top of it. I'm just telling you what worked for me. So this is the, you know, the bare minimum. If you need something to help your lips not be so painful, buy this. But this worked great on top of it. It was the only lip balm I used throughout the whole 8 to 9 months that I was on Accutane. And then the last product is amazing. So obviously I was dry the whole time, and there would be times throughout the day, like at work or after I would go walk my dogs outside, where like the wind would be blowing and I would just feel like the water was sucked completely out of me because I was outside in the sun. And I was like drinking so much water, but it's just, you're so dry. So I found this Cruel Intensive Moisture Care Deep Moisture Spray. It feels like nothing because the spray is so fine, but it's just so hydrating and it works well under makeup, over makeup. And I just felt confident spraying this at any point in my day. It doesn't have any like drying alcohol in it. It's like fragrance free. And Cruel is a Japanese brand, so I know their ingredients are exceptional, and water is the first ingredient, but then glycerin is the second ingredient. So at any point throughout the day, if I needed more moisture, no matter what I was doing, I would spray this. And it still isn't gone. I mean, this is a pretty good size bottle. It's not super convenient for travel, but I'm sure they have a travel size. But I just keep using this. And honestly, you could use this like as your facial moisturizer. If you wanted to just keep it really simple and not like rub a bunch of stuff on your face, just use this to spray. I love this, and it's just a really great format to get more moisture, especially if you are a makeup wearer. So those were my top products that I would recommend to anyone starting Accutane. Please let me know if you have any further questions in the comments down below, or if you need more product recommendations in certain categories that I didn't talk about here. I would love to chat about it. I know for me personally, when I was researching and trying to make the decision on whether or not to do it, I looked up a ton of videos and articles and learned from other people's experience on what to do, like what the side effects could be. And so I just really hope this video helps if you were in the same position that I was. And I hope you test out these products, and I hope they give you some relief and comfort from the severe dryness that is Accutane. So I thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a very fun and safe 4th of July weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.